জয় বিশ্বেশ্বরী জয় বিশালাক্ষী জয়।
I need a help from you. Will you please help me?
Of course I will. I call you my friend. I won't break this friendship with you. But what help do you want? What are you going to do?
Good morning. Come, sit. Have breakfast. Brother-in-law, may I sit next to you?
Oh wow.
Brother-in-law, don't have the orange all on your own. Wow, you guys have fruits every morning. And so much food as well. Do you even get hungry at lunch? What are these? These black things? Oh my. Eeh.
Hey you, what's up? Why are you sitting here?
You? Who are you? Are you his sister? What?
Sister? What is happening here, Dripto? Who is this girl? Since yesterday she's been talking whatever she feels like she don't understand. What's the point of all this? I don't understand. She's eating orange here and messing everywhere with those orange peels, Mrs. Bose. What the heck is happening? Who allowed her to sit here?
Absolutely correct. Everyone in this world should know their place.
What did you say? What did you just say? Everyone should know their place means? I'm the sister of the lady of this house.
You are the sister of the lady of this house. Is she the lady or me?
Which Nayan is this? Why did she dress this way? Sister? Is it you?
Why did you come here?
What?
I'm asking you, why did you come here? What do you want?
No, actually...
Does everybody at home know that you are here?
What? Actually, no.
Kumu, you shouldn't have come here without informing the family. This house has a different set of etiquette. No one can just barge in here and make themselves at home. And listen, why were you tolerating this for so long? You didn't say anything to Kumu. I don't like encouraging this at all. Understood? Kumu, you should leave for home at once. Brother-in-law, you showed up right on time. It's your responsibility to take Kumu home. Did you get what I said? You will drop Kumu home. And remember, it's your sister-in-law's order.
Sure, sister-in-law. I will drop her off home.
If nobody invites you, do not just come over. There are some rules in this house that should be abided by. Besides, you are a guest in this house. You are the sister of the lady of this house. So you also have to follow them.
Listen, sister.
Yes, I will get the car.
Go. What happened? Go.
What did I just see? My sister has changed so much. Still, I can't believe it.
I will have to get Kumu in the car and drop her home as soon as possible. Otherwise, who knows when this girl will get crazy. She may run back again calling her sister. Hey, hello. Get in the car. Hurry up, get inside. What is it? Why are you silent? Are you mad at your sister for scolding you?
Nayan was wearing so much jewelry. Do all the ladies in your family wear so much jewelry? Or is it just my sister for being the elder daughter-in-law?
What is going on? How dare you speak like this to Dripto? How dare you call yourself the lady of the house? Speak up. Answer me. Answer me. Who has given you this dress and jewelry? Who has given you? Isn't this Rangana's? The sari as well? Hey, wait. Wait. You have gone too far this time. Just because I say nothing, you're going too far.
Why, mother? What have I done?
Don't say too much. Who gave you the permission to give her all the sari and jewelry?
What are you saying, mother? Why would I need permission to give her my own sari and jewelry? Hey, my friend looks fantastic. Very beautiful, isn't she? Mother, I know. You want to praise her in your heart but cannot. How inconvenient.
Don't try to be smart with me. I know very well who is spoiling this stupid brain of yours. If I don't throw you out of the house today, let's go.
Ma'am, please leave her. I am the one to be blamed. It was my idea to wear her sari and jewelry. She just helped me because I asked her. Please don't blame her, ma'am.
Keep quiet. I don't need you to defend her. First, I will kick her out of the house, and then you. I know very well how to clip your wings. Then you. Sanjukta, please leave it. Let bygones be bygones. Calm down. Just calm down now.
Leave it means? What are you trying to say? This girl has come down today, all dressed up like the elder daughter-in-law. What's the guarantee that tomorrow she won't pull this show in front of outsiders? Besides, the way she was drunk at the party that night, my brother was so upset he refused to allow me to marry Dripto. Only I have convinced my brother to approve of my marriage. I told him that I love Dripto. Then only my brother agreed. Basically, it's nothing at all. This girl is just jealous of me. She's doing all this out of envy because she can't tolerate me. One must not dream too big, all right? She desires to be Dripto's wife. Right, Nayan?
No! Don't worry about that. I don't dare to dream about it. I won't demand to be the lady of this house. Never. I did everything just to make my sister believe that I am respected as the daughter-in-law of this family. So that after returning home, she can tell my old grandfather and my poor mother the lie. And my mother and grandfather become happy with this false idea. They may think that their Nayan is really happy, and I had nothing else in my mind behind this dressing up.
Is that so? You did this to make your sister believe that? I know that you are lying.
No, I am not lying. Trust me, I am not lying. I am telling the truth. I swear on Lord.
Quiet! Just keep quiet. You wanted to make Dripto yours with your sham of a marriage. And now you want to force your sister on Jeet. Otherwise, why would she come? Why would she come here?
No, you got it wrong, ma'am. I didn't really know that Kumu would turn up in this house. Believe me.
You knew everything. Everything. I know cunning girls like you very well. Your attitude changed as soon as your sister came. With the expensive dress and jewelry, you're acting up. I can't stand you anymore. I just can't. Feels like slapping you. Deepu?
Mom, don't raise your hand.
Dripto, what did you do? You grabbed mother's hand and you tried to stop her.
I hope, Pico, you remember. You tried to hit Rangana in anger once. I told you to, right? No one's allowed to abuse a woman in this house. And I won't allow anyone to abuse a woman in this house.
Rangana is the daughter-in-law of this family. But she is a maid in this house. Then why did you interrupt? Speak up! Why did you stop me?
Jay, oh Lourdes, he's in trouble because of me. These people are asking him for an explanation because of me. What will happen now? What will happen?
What is this? Why are you not answering me? Tell me.
I can't answer such a stupid question, okay?
Yes, I'm stupid. That's why I'm asking lame questions. But first, you answer me. Say it. Tell me why my sister was wearing such jewelry. For being the eldest daughter-in-law. But the other lady wasn't wearing them at all. But why?
Yes. Your sister wears jewelry because she's the eldest daughter-in-law. You happy? Are you happy now? I don't know what's wrong. You're driving me crazy by asking the same question. Did you come here to see your sister or how much jewelry she was wearing? Yes?
Oh no. That means there's no point marrying the other guy in this house. Only the wife of the eldest son gets that much jewelry and power. Now it seems instead of wasting my time flirting with him, I should have tried to steal my sister's husband. Why do I mess up all the time? Disgusting. I feel irritated and restless.
I really love my family a lot, Mom. For the sake of my family's happiness, I can do anything. Nayan did the same, Mom. She only thought about her family, chose their happiness over her. So today, I stand with her. I know, Mom. If the mother is upset, how painful it is for her children. Mom, the day you drank that poisonous milk, who else was scared more than me that I might lose you? Tell me, Mom. Tell me. Today, Nayan also got worried about her mother's agony. I thought of standing with her today because of that. I know. Grandparents are hurt when they see their grandchildren's pain. So when Nayan gave her grandfather a false hope to make him happy, then why wouldn't I support her? Now you tell me, Mom, did I do something wrong? Did I say or do something unjust?
No, I mean, whatever, like
No,
this.
Mom. Nayan didn't want to hurt her family. And there's nothing wrong in it. There's no loss at all. Besides, at least we can help her this much, right? And whatever drama she put up, there's no harm in that too.